Imagine if you could scroll through Earth's history like a YouTube timeline. You drag that little playhead all the way back, past the dinosaurs, past the first fish, past anything you'd recognize, and still, you wouldn't even be close to the beginning. Because Earth's story is 4.5 billion years long. That's longer than your phone battery's warranty by roughly 4.5 billion years. So, what exactly is the geological timescale? Think of it as Earth's giant history book, each chapter representing an era, each page a million years, and each paragraph filled with exploding volcanoes, freezing ice ages, and species that thought they were the future spoiler. They weren't. Scientists use this time scale to divide our planet's 4.54 billion year history into bite-sized pieces. Why? Because saying a long time ago doesn't quite cut it when long could mean a billion years. Let's hit play and zoom way, way back to the beginning. The Hadean Eon named after Hades, because, well, Earth was basically hell. Imagine molten rock oceans, constant asteroid impacts, and zero chance of finding a Starbucks. The planet was just forming, with its crust cooling and water slowly appearing. No life yet, unless you count lava as a lifestyle. Next up, the Archean Eon. The world calms down slightly. The first continents begin to form. The sky is thick with methane, and tiny bacteria start bubbling away in the oceans. They're the pioneers of life, pulling off the planet's first chemistry experiment, photosynthesis. Without them, we wouldn't have oxygen or memes. Then comes the Proterozoic Eon, a true upgrade patch for Earth 2.0. Oxygen fills the air, multicellular life starts experimenting with teamwork, and the first snowball Earth ice age nearly freezes everything. It's like the planet's first dramatic teenager phase, emotional, unstable, but growing fast. And then boom, we hit the Phanerozoic Eon, the one we actually know stuff about. This is when life goes viral. The Cambrian explosion hits around 540 million years ago, and suddenly, evolution's creativity goes wild. Shells, legs, eyes, it's nature's first big-budget production. Over time, we divide this eon into three big eras: Paleozoic, Mesozoic, and Cenozoic. Paleozoic era, the ancient life chapter. Think of it as Earth's underwater rave: fish, trilobites, coral reefs. Plants start moving onto land, followed by bugs and creepy crawly things. Then amphibians take their first steps onto shore like, we're land animals now, I guess. All ends with the Permian extinction, where 90% of life checks out massive L. Mesozoic era, you know this one, the age of reptiles. Dinosaurs rule, mammals hide, and trees evolve pine cones for some reason. It's the Jurassic, Cretaceous, and Triassic party, all ending with an asteroid crashing the show and deleting the dinos of 66 million years ago. Cenozoic era, the age of mammals. After the dinosaurs exit, mammals move into the spotlight. Forests spread, grasslands appear, and eventually, one upright, overconfident primate starts inventing fire, TikTok, and conspiracy theories. Yup, us. Now here's the mind bender. If we squeezed Earth's entire 4.5 billion year history into one single day, humans wouldn't show up until 11:59 and 59 seconds. That's right. Everything we've ever done, from inventing the wheel to arguing on Reddit, happens in the last second of Earth's day. The dinosaurs ruled for hours. Bacteria ran the planet for most of the morning and afternoon. And us? We're basically the blink of an eye after midnight. Kind of humbling, right? The geological timescale isn't just about rocks and fossils. It's a reminder of how tiny, temporary, and ridiculously lucky we are to exist right now. Earth has reinvented itself again and again, boiling, freezing, exploding, evolving. and we just happen to live during one of its calm, breathable moments. If this little trip through time blew your mind even a bit, hit that like button so hard it leaves a fossil record. Drop a comment on which era you'd visit if you had a time machine. And don't forget to subscribe for more what-if style adventures into science, space, and the weirdness of reality. Because remember, Earth's story isn't over yet, and neither is ours.